everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you hear anything, it's probably my sister, so don't worry about it. So, as you can see, we're playing this game once again. And I actually really like this game, and I built the biggest boat I've ever built so far. So, last video, I think I just showed you what the game was about. But, oh my word, what I'm going to do is I am going to look at the board. I'm going to join the white team because that has the most on. Change team. The black team. Change to the white team. Change. Please tell me. I want to show you my boat, man. Word. Oh my word. Alright, so, I wish I can get one of those, but I know I can't because it costs Robux! So I'm going to do is I'm going to press load boat. This boat took me forever to build. This guy can see this boat I built. And I'm still working on it. I was going to say still finishing it, but that's not the right word. So, okay, where is it? Here it is. This is the biggest boat I built so far. Yeah, it's pretty big. I have the little tiny ladder here, so you can get on the boat. When I was building a tiny little aerial, I unlocked the torch, which is super useful. We have a lower deck. You can click on that. Come on down here. There's some seats over there, some seats over there. And if you want to go back up, just open the door, climb right back up. This is amazing. And I think maybe I should make a tiny light here, so you come up to here. Because maybe, let me try doing that. I don't even know if I have enough ladders. I got 6, yeah. I don't think that's enough, but you know, you gotta try, so. I don't know why I did that, but please don't comment about that. Oh, I got it. Oh, you little butt. Oh my word. How do I get? I'm gonna respawn this. I'm reloading this boat. I messed up on it. So I'm going to try placing it up there again. So yeah. You might think, oh wait, I thought you only had like 9. I do. But, no, I only have 6. I do. But the problem is, there is a glitch if you cannot open that while this is here. Where's the mask? Oh, there it is. See, alright. So I think I would have to put the stuff like out here. Hopefully this works. Please tell me this works. I can't stand on it. Oh my word. I am the king. So I think I might. I don't know if I should keep it there, but. I think I'm going to keep it there, but before I do it, I want to put a. Oh no. Maybe I should have put it over here. Maybe. Yeah, I should have over there. So many regrets. Okay. No. I feel so bad for this guy because he's got to sit down right now. Yes! Alright, so this boat took me forever to build. Oh, I forgot to save it. I'll save it right now. Yes. But when you get, I'm not gonna do it right now because this thing is epic. I want to get to this one, the legendary chest, but it costs 405 stinging gold pieces. So yeah, but the game, I already told you if you didn't see my other video. The game is just about build your boat and yeah, build a boat for treasure. It says exactly what it is in the title screen. It's amazing. But it's amazing that you can literally make 2 stories out of a ship. And it will not break. There is a few bugs with the game. Oh, yes. He does not know that he's going to be on a YouTube video. And he's making a lot of himself. I'm so sorry. I wish I wasn't making a YouTube video. Well, if you're wondering what this thing does right here, nothing. Oh, shoot. Our boat! No! Our boat hasn't tipped. How is our boat not tipped yet? Did you see that? I don't know how to do an instant replay. So why did you just shoot straight up? Okay. But it's like we're in a storm and the boat's just going left, right. Yeah. But this is the game. You just build it. And this is literally of trying to build this boat. You might think, oh, it's an easy game. You just build a boat. You don't have infinite blocks. It took me forever to get this boat because I needed all the building blocks. You need all the building blocks. And as you see, there's only like one little block. One block. One is destroyed. Like, how is that possible? How is one destroyed? Oh my word. I'm just sorry that I'm not talking very much, but I am amazed. Not because this thing isn't oh no, it's over. This is the storm one. We're in a terrible storm! I am the Captain Lizard! My name isn't Lizard Man anymore. It is Lizard Captain, the captain of the ship. I can actually further I need to go before I get to the end. There is an end of this. There's actually an end. Not to the game. To this. Oh no. I know what that is. Well. Oh no! Oh my word. The entire front of our ship is literally destroyed. Completely. Can I shoot that thing, please? Can I still use the cannon? Imagine if I can. Please tell me I can. Please, I can. I can still. Oh no! I think this is where the SS must be destroyed. I think it's over for the SS Lizard. This is the new name for this, the SS Lizard. Remember that little boat that I made a long time ago? I don't know where it went. Maybe it just came into this game. Like, that'll happen. It just came into the game, guys. Oh my word. I'm just looking back there. There's supposed to be 3 seats on the back. Oh no. This is where it always destroys my ship. You don't know this, but this is the only thing holding up me. And there's only that seat, which is like so far away from me. This thing gets destroyed, I fall down. And it's over for me. Oh no, we tipped! The worst thing that can happen. Oh my word. Oh, this is the worst ever. I think this is where our story ends, everybody. This is where the SS Lizard stories. This is where the SS Lizard story ends. You might say, why? Why? Because this is shallow water. Shallow water and a boat don't go together. This is only the first thing. We also got this side, which is the same thing. So here it goes. See? Oh my word. It is over. Ah, no! No! It's over. Because once the water comes back, look, I ran into that. Oh, come on! I want to see how... Oh, no. Oh, my God, look. How are you supposed to survive this at first? Look. First off, I continuously get hurt. Second off, look at these looks! I just got hurt. You can't see it, but I'm just going to pull this down so you can see my health. But, oh my word! I've never been this close to the end. Oh my word. No! No! Well, at least I have enough money to get this. Yeah, 20. Oh my. See how much you get for these ones? Sorry. 5 that. 1 water block. I don't know what that does. 3 ladders. I want ladders. Window. Oh, 2 cannons. Here's what I need. I need the cannons. I keep trying to get cannons, but I never get them. I got them out of the rare chest. The other one. This is the uncommon chest. I got them out this rare one right here. Severely lucky to get out of that one, but finally. Alright. Alright, so at the end. Now it's time for the common chest. Yeah, sure. Alright, I'm just gonna put the rest of the cannons on my bow. Mega member. Where's my boat? Are you sure you want to replace your bow? I'm gonna end. Okay, let me tell this guy. I am He's not gonna believe me, is he? I am making YouTube video. I am YouTube. Lighters! 2. Video. Oh, okay. Alright. I think he's saying, what's your channel name? Alright. No. What's E A R